We're here on site taking out this old Aqua Pro heat pump. I'm going to be installing this brand new Rheem 8450TI-E. Let's get it done. Plumbing's out, bonding's out. Ready to pull this sucker out, throw it in the back of my truck, and put this new one in. All right, so we're back on site and finishing up with the heat pump, the Rheem 140,000 BTU heat pump. Let's check it out. All right, we got it all installed, everything all wired up, everything ready to go. Got the communication wire for the AquaLink automation system to operate. Going to finish setting up the settings for all that. So here we got our inlet pipe, which is on the bottom. I'm pointing at the elbow right there, coming in into the inlet of the heat pump, coming out of the heat pump, straight through with a check valve. When the client is not using the heat pump, or God forbid if there was something happen with this actual heat pump, he can go ahead and stop the water flow from going in, and it's gonna bypass turning the valve there. Now all the water comes this way, comes up through the valve, up and around, in, here, goes out, and the check valve blocks it from water going backwards this way. So when the heat pump is not being used, there you go, just turned off. Water comes out from the filter, through the valve, up this pipe, down this way. Check valve blocks it from coming backwards. Now water just flows straightly that way. When he is using the heat pump, go ahead and rotate this valve, allowing the water to push through. Now within a few seconds, probably within 2-3 minutes, the compressor kick on and it's going to start working again. If you're in the market for a new heat pump, go ahead and give us a call. This is a Rheem 140,000 BTU heat pump here. So if you're in the market for a brand new heat pump installed with bypass valves, electrical, communication wire completely set up, give us a call. My name is Charles. Elite Swimming Pools, 954-732-1628. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of your day.